Do like a 3, 2, 1 thing?
Yeah.
So here we have a 2017 KLX140G. It's a good little trail bike with the bigger wheels. It's just a little bit underpowered. The wife's been really liking it, kind of in between the sizes of a big bike and a smaller bike, and as far as trails go and kind of the techie terrain and everything. This smaller seat height, she's just more comfortable on it, but we just need to add some power. So we got the BBR 170 kit right here. And then we also bought the cam, which is somewhere in here. We'll have to unbox it later. But cam, big bore kit, and then the Mikuni VM26 carburetor. Later on, she's back ordered right now, but we're going to throw the Pro Circuit T6 on it. And then that should be basically intake, exhaust, and more displacement. So what more can we really ask for? Maybe some ignition timing or something. Maybe a rev box later on, something that way for tuning. But other than that, let's dive into it. You wish. Where do you want to put this stuff? Up here? Cleat. But we have Mitch over there. He's fabbing us up one, so I know he's working hard. He's got it on the dyno right now, him and Villapoto. Oh, yeah. Drilled a bunch of holes in there. Breathe mo better. That. Gonna need a Phillips. It's got a lot on it. What's that? All right, we got some access now, huh? Dirty. Blow her off, a spare. Proper PPE. Squint. I think as long as that's loose. Just about it. sprocket, the cam chain sprocket?
So, as you're pulling apart your cam chain and cam chain sprocket, make sure this does not fall out the back side of there into the bottom of your motor. There's the head.
Cylinder. Piston looks way different than the stock one. If you take a look at the stocker. Definitely bigger. Looks like higher compression too. It's definitely higher compression. Definitely higher compression. Barely, it's in. Felt it. Slide the cylinder down on the piston. Take some force.
Nick, in the bottom left, I have a torque wrench.
Woohoo, like butter.
Like butter. Alright, so looks like
Bingo.
and then lefty tighty on this one.
Would you rather have it tighter than looser?
I'd rather have it looser because they stretch.
Now you're all friendly.
Almost done.
Do you have products?
Merch?
Oh, you have money?
Kidding. Here we go. Oh, listen to her go. I think it sounds pretty good.